Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Model Compression and Quantization, Making AI Lean, Mean, and Super Fast. Imagine you have a brilliant digital assistant, an AI, that can understand complex things and make smart decisions. Sometimes, these digital brains can get incredibly large and complex. Today, we're going to learn how to make them smaller, faster, and more efficient, so they can work practically anywhere, from powerful servers to your everyday phone. Think of it as putting our AI on a super effective diet. AI models, especially the really smart ones like those for understanding language or recognizing images, are built from millions or even billions of parameters. These are like tiny pieces of knowledge, or dials the AI adjusts to learn. The more it learns, the more parameters it needs, making the model file size huge. From a developer's perspective, this means your AI application becomes slow, expensive to run on cloud servers, and impossible to fit on smaller devices like a smartwatch or even many smartphones. Model compression is our hero here. It's a set of techniques designed to shrink the size and complexity of AI models without significantly hurting their performance. Think of it like taking a high-resolution 4K video file and compressing it into a smaller, still good quality HD version. For developers, this means your AI can be integrated into lighter apps, respond much faster to user input, and cost less to maintain, making your projects more practical and scalable. Imagine you have a beautiful painting that uses millions of different shades of color. Quantization is like reducing that painting to a palette of only 256 colors. It still looks almost the same, but the digital file size is much smaller. In AI, knowledge is stored using very precise, complex numbers, like 3.1415925. Quantization simplifies these numbers. For example, from 32-bit decimals to 8-bit integers, whole numbers like 3. As a developer, this directly reduces the model's memory footprint and allows for faster computations, especially on specialized hardware. Think of a very dense bush or tree. Some branches are strong and essential, while others are small, weak twigs that don't do much. Pruning is literally cutting off those less important parts. In an AI model, there are millions of connections, or neurons. Pruning identifies and removes the connections that contribute very little to the model's overall accuracy. Much like removing the dead wood, what remains is a leaner, more efficient model. For you, the developer, this means a smaller model that uses less processing power, leading to faster response times and lower resource usage. Picture a wise, experienced master chef, our big, complex AI model, teaching all their culinary secrets to a talented apprentice. A smaller, simpler AI model. The apprentice doesn't need to have the exact same complex brain as the master to learn how to cook almost as well. In AI, a large, powerful model, the teacher, is used to train a smaller, simpler model, the student. The student learns the essence of the teacher's decisions. For developers, this means you can deploy a much smaller, faster student model that achieves nearly the expert-level performance of the cumbersome teacher model, perfect for mobile or embedded applications. Understanding these techniques gives you superpowers as a developer. 1. Faster user experience. Asterisk your AI-powered apps will respond in milliseconds, not seconds. 2. Cheaper to run. Asterisk less powerful servers mean significantly lower cloud hosting costs. 3. Deploy anywhere. Edge AI. Asterisk put AI directly on phones, smart cameras, or tiny IoT devices without relying on constant internet connection. 4. Sustainable AI. Asterisk smaller models consume less energy, contributing to greener computing. These aren't just theoretical concepts. They are essential tools for building practical, real-world AI applications today. Model compression and quantization are not just optimizations. They are crucial strategies for democratizing AI. They turn bulky, power-hungry algorithms into nimble, accessible tools that can run almost anywhere. By understanding how to make AI lean, mean, and super fast, you're gaining vital skills to build the next generation of intelligent applications that are efficient, scalable, and impactful. Keep learning, keep building. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.